Hello everybody, my name is Niliam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. As we come to a conclusion with our bold series, I wanted to use up all the boldest colors I already had mixed in my paint pantry so that I can go ahead and experiment with the absolute boldest piece I have ever created actually. To be very honest with you, this piece came out so good that I'm actually considering doing several more pieces with this type of color palette, or even the same type of colors, maybe different composition. With all of that being said, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can keep on making great content for you guys. And let's get right into the video. And now for the second piece. If you've made it this far into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment in the section below. So this color combination definitely pushed me outside of my comfort zone, but I am so glad that it did. These pieces came out stunning, both of them in their own right, and they make the perfect match. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment in the section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Your support definitely goes a long way. I look forward to seeing you guys on next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Pass on the word, share the videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.